Welcome to Mongolia Unveiled, 5 Unfortunate Realities. A journey through the harsh realities of a landlocked giant. As we prepare to dive into the details, remember, this is not just a story about a country. It's a narrative about its people, their resilience, and their struggle against odds that are, quite literally, as vast as the land they inhabit. So, without further ado, let's dive in and unveil the unfortunate realities of Mongolia. Beginning with fact number 5, Mongolia is a colossal land, approximately twice the magnitude of Texas. However, it's wedged between two vast nations, Russia and China, rendering it considerably secluded. This isolation has not only shaped Mongolia's past, but also continues to mold its future. So, Mongolia's isolation isn't merely about its geographical positioning, but rather, it's a narrative that continues to carve its destiny. Welcome to Mongolia, the landlocked behemoth, whose very geography has been a formidable challenge, limiting its access to bustling global trade routes and making it vulnerable to external pressures. Moving on to fact number 4, the weather in Mongolia is no laughing matter, with winters so freezing that your breath crystallizes in the air and summer heat so intense that it seems the earth itself is gasping for a cool breeze. The relentless weather in Mongolia isn't just a conversational piece. It's a formidable force impacting every aspect of, from agriculture, a critical resource for many Mongolians, to the individual lives of its people. Crops find it hard to endure these harsh conditions, let alone flourish. For the inhabitants, the weather extremes are just as demanding, constantly challenging their fortitude. This severe climate is a brutal truth that the dwellers of Mongolia grapple with every year. Venture with us into the expansive landscapes where an unexpected deficiency resides. Imagine Mongolia, a nation blessed with plenty of land, yet paradoxically, a significant chunk of it is unviable for farming. The arid and semi-arid climate forms a formidable obstacle to crop cultivation, exposing the country to potential food crises. This dramatic juxtaposition between land surplus and farmable land shortage presents a distinctive paradox in Mongolia's narrative. Amidst such hardships, the lack of farmable land is a poignant irony in the saga of Mongolia. Fact number 3. Despite its vast lands, much of Mongolia's soil isn't suitable for farming, making it difficult for the country to fulfill its food requirements. Fact number 2. Luxury of stability is often a mirage in the Mongolian political sphere. A historic glance at the nation reveals an undulating timeline punctuated by political turbulence that is reflected in rapid changes in government leadership and policy shifts. As the political panorama fluctuates, it triggers a ripple effect in the economic landscape, causing disturbances in development and creating obstructions long-term strategizing. This ingrained instability nurtures an atmosphere of unpredictability, a primary hurdle for Mongolia in plotting a consistent path to advancement. It is this political instability that Mongolia continues to wrestle with. And finally, fact number 1. Mongolia is a treasure trove of natural resources hidden beneath its surface, but this treasure comes at a price. As we delve deeper into Mongolia's terrains, encounter the paradox of exploitation. The country's financial backbone is formed by the mining industry, which extracts mammoth amounts of coal, copper, and gold. However, this reliance is a precarious balance. Mining does stimulate economic prosperity, propelling growth and creating jobs. But there's another side to it that brings about serious ecological issues. Mines leave the landscape marred, contaminate water supplies, and add to air pollution. Moreover, Mongolia's reliance on mining makes it susceptible to the whims of international commodity prices, fostering economic volatility. This is the mining paradox, a narrative that perfectly represents Mongolia's intricate relationship with its natural wealth.